I'm Niek Vandendriessche, project engineer by Vandemoortele here in Izegem, Belgium. At this moment we are testing new control units ASi-5 on a dedicated installation to see what is the difference with the ASi-3, which advantages do we have.
My name is Martin Huijsman. I work for SPX FLOW. Before we introduce a new product to the market, we want to fully test it first in a lab-controlled environment. And after this is done successfully, we upgrade it to a field test in a real production facility. And this is the reason why we chose for Vandemoortele to test this new product here.
The main interesting for us is the technology for the mix-proof valves, for the cleaning of the seats in the valve, that it's much better.
One of the new features of this ASi-5 is what we call stroke-based pulsation, and this gives you a huge advantage for cleaning your valves. We can open and close the valve and do that very rapidly, and therefore cleaning the valve internally very well, and by using very little CIP liquid to clean this valve.
We have less losses of cleaning product, so on terms of sustainability, that's something that is interesting for the future.
We know from Vandemoortele they are continuously looking for new products, new developments to improve their production process. Doing a field test is one example on how we stay close to our customers, listen to their needs and try to develop new products to fit those needs.